Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we'll be testing out some of Shadowline Motorsport's LED headlights. We got the M70, the R8, and the P50 LED bulbs. The P50s I had in my Crazy to God headlight install. Check that out if you haven't seen it already. And the M70s I ran in my OEM headlights before I switched. I love the M70s. They performed great, so we'll see how they perform against the other two. These are all H7 bulbs because of this this piece right here. It will only fit H7s. The M70s come in 9906, 9905, H7, and I think a few others. They don't come in H1s. The R8s come in all of the same, including the H1s, and the P50s come in H1, H7, and I believe they also come in the other 9905, 9906, and a ton of other variants. Be sure to check out Shadowline Motorsport's website to see if they will fit your vehicle. But for now, we're just testing them out on E30 headlights. Also want to mention the temperature difference between the bulbs. The M70 and P50s are 6,000 K, while the R8 is 5,000 K. So there will be a little bit of a color difference between the R8 and the rest of the bulbs. So let me get them all installed, and we'll go one by one into seeing which one's the brightest and how they compare to each other.